Today's video, I will show you how to make this seed bead bracelet. So, let's start. I forgot to say that we use stop beads. You can use any kind of seed beads. So, pass a thread again. One more time. And we leave about 10 inches of tail thread. So I'll pick one blue, one 8/0 metallic beads, and one 8/0. So there are 3 beads. And pull it down like this. I will hold it like this. And I will pick one 8/0. And I'll pass the needle here to these gold metallic beads. Hold it like this. And like this. Now we'll go to this 8/0 seed beads like this. And then I will pick again one 8/0 and I will pass the needle to this 3mm and to this 8/0. Pull the thread like this. And we are exiting here. Now we'll go through these 8/0 beads. 8/0 seed beads. Like this. It's a little bit wonky. And then I will pick 3mm of metallic beads. So we are exiting here to this 8/0 seed beads, and I will go to these 8/0 seed beads like this. Just give it some good formation like this, and I will pick 8/0 seed beads. So I will pass the needle to this 3mm of metallic beads and to this 8/0 seed beads. Like this. And the next is I will pick 8/0 seed beads and I will pass the needle to these metallic beads and to the center of this 8/0 seed beads. Like this. So we're exiting here to the center of these 3 8/0 seed beads, and I will go to this 8/0 seed beads. Like this. And then I will pick 3mm of metallic gold beads. And I will pass to these 8/0 seed beads. And I'll pass like this. So I will make a unit again. I will pick 8 seed beads, and I will pass the needle through these metallic beads and 8 seed beads. Sorry. And I will pick 8 again, and I will pass through these metallic beads and to these 8 seed beads, like this. And I will pass the needle to these 8 seed beads, like this. And then I will pick 3mm of metallic beads. So we are exiting here, and I will pass the needle to these 8 seed beads. Like this. And we will make it until we reach our needed length. So I'll be back. We made 16 centimeters, so let's make the closure parts. The closure part. We are exiting here to these 8 seed beads, and I will go pass through the needle to these 8 seed beads. And I will pick 8 seed beads, and I will pass the needle to these 8 seed beads, like this. And I will reinforce them. So I will pass the needle to these 3 seed beads, and I will go to these 8 metallic beads, and to these 8 seed beads. I will pop it like this, and I will go back here to metallic beads and 8 seed beads. Go here and here. Here. And here. So I will knot them. Once more again. And then cut the thread. And burn it to lock. So this is our bracelet, and I will attach jump ring, clasp, and chain. So I will pick jump ring and chain and attach them to the middle of the 8 seed beads. This. And then the next is jump ring and clasp, like this. So this is our bracelet for today, and I hope you like it. And if you like it, don't forget to subscribe and write any comment where you're from. So thank you for today, and I hope I can give you some some ideas for your bracelet. Thank you for watching. Bye.